In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to create Google Forms. Whether you're a teacher, student, or professional, creating Google Forms is essential for efficient data collection. It enables you to gather responses for surveys, feedback, quizzes, and registrations in a customizable and accessible format. To do this, simply head to your Google Chrome. Make sure to first sign into your Google Chrome account. On this page, click right here to access all Google apps. You will want to scroll down onto the Forms app. Now, once you are on your Google Forms homepage, tap on Template Gallery. There are many different templates, as you can see. You can select any and just edit to your own preferences. Now, to create your own form, simply click on Blank Form. On this newly blank form, we'll start off with our name. It can either be school, company, or any institution name. You can also customize to any handwriting style. There's bold, italic, and among others. In this section, you can insert a link, whereby let's say they click onto your name. It drives them directly to your website. Now, don't forget to add a description as well. Moving on to the next tab, on Untitled Question, you can put email and change this to short answer. Now, this small space provided will only be for them to add their email address. You can also mark on required so that it's not optional. To add another tab, simply click on this plus icon right here. On this tab, let's put hobby. And you will have to change this to paragraph because they need to express themselves. So larger space will be created right here for a longer answers. Well, you can add as many tabs as you want. Let's head to this section of responses. Make sure this is enabled and you will see all your responses. You also tap on this customize icon to change background of your form. Here are the different colors to choose from. You can also choose a header as well. You will have to choose from these different options. Now, once everything is done, click right here on Preview to see how your form looks like. And if you need any editing, you can see that here very well. Get back and tap on Send to share your form. You can also click on these three dots to make a copy. Print out your form or get the link of your form. On Get Prefilled Link, tap onto it and select on Get Link. Your link will get copied to successfully, and you can share it to anyone to access your form. That's how easy it is to create Google Forms. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.